Enigma TV presents In the Kitchen with Hurricane Ronnie.
Yeah, there's some people coming. I told y'all I have fun and shit. Let's just see how it's going down. Y'all wanna come have some fun in Las Vegas? Music video tonight, it's going down. It's about 110 out here and I fucking love it because I was freezing on that fucking airplane. Look, this is not just a balcony. This is the whole balcony with multiple accesses. Bellagio right there. Caesar's Palace back there. So I could come sit right there, or I could just, and there's a big club right here, right down there. It's all part of where I'm at. So that's gonna be going down all night down there too. So it's like, what side of the balcony you want to be on? It's just getting started. Just wanted to show y'all. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, because that's where the real deal videos are. This is just advertisements. You know what I'm saying? I'm really working on something major. Really. Hooked up with Shock G today. I can't believe it. What? We jamming my shit in the limo, stretch Escalade. Because when it's time to have fun, I have fun. I do that shit right. I ain't gonna do it halfway. I'm gonna do it all the way. Every day. I do shit in a major way. And I prove people wrong, left and right, every day. If they don't believe in me, I'm gonna show them. Shit. I'm gonna prove it to them. But I ain't got nothing to prove. I ain't got nothing to prove. Whoever don't believe in me, miss the boat then. Because Enigma Entertainment is coming. When I get back home, I'm getting in that studio. If I quit 10 years ago and put out 80 albums, imagine what I'm gonna do this time. And this time, I'm more determined than ever, more committed than ever to do it. Major things are gonna happen. If I was on national TV on the Ellen show.
Song I like a lot. This is from Ronnie McGuess from Iberia, Louisiana. I love this. Listen to this.
My TV on, smile on my face. I get angry when commercial breaks. Bang on, Hurricane Bonnie ripping this song. Got my PC on set to record. Can't forget about the view.
In a video game.
And on my feet, where the party is, Sunshine Beach. Hop up in the take a ride, sip the drink and every time. Getting mine, chilling in the sunshine.
On the talk show Hip Hop 411.
30 CDs?
In the street.
In the streets? Okay. So this right here, the B-Town. Tell me about this one that you got right here.
In the newspaper. Selling CDs worldwide in Japan.
Saturday, July 3rd, New Iberia's own Hurricane Ronnie Miguez performed. Ladies, at Fusion, you pay no cover till 9:30.
Last time, when I was barely trying, what you think is gonna happen now that I'm saying I'm back and I'm putting everything I got into this? I'm back, and it's time to show these motherfuckers I'm back. And I'm in the studio, and I'm gonna be in there every day. You thought I did 80 albums last time, I'm gonna do 1,000. And then every song's gonna be the shit. And I'm selling them worldwide. No more selling in the parking lot. No, over 10 years ago, I figured out, matter of fact, I figured out how to sell online before there was a Facebook, before there was a YouTube, before there was a Twitter. The internet was just getting started, and I was selling CDs worldwide, and that's what caught everybody's attention. Even Vinny V said that it was smart what I was doing. Everybody else was worried about distribution deals, and I had already figured out a way on my own to sell records, and I wasn't pushing it in their face. All the people overseas and all around the United States that bought the CDs bought it because they heard it and liked it. I didn't shove it in their face and tell them to buy it. They liked it. And it's still selling to this day. I'm still getting paid for that old music. So what's going to happen when I'm making this new music, Enigma Entertainment? And of course, keeping it old school is coming. That's what we're shooting the music videos for today. So just be on the lookout and please support me. If you love me, please support me. Because this new music is going to blow everybody's mind. For real though.